Hi, I am Janet Villanueva, and I am one of the senior carers of InaCare. What I can say about the company, truly from my heart, working with InaCare has been an excellent experience for me. Since I got directly hired from my country in the Philippines, my journey here in UK or working abroad has been fulfilled, and it is because of InaCare. With InaCare, I had been guided so well, and I am so blessed because my manager, Florina Dinsorian, never stopped motivating me, encouraging me, lifting me up, and with the team, I felt that I am not alone. So I am very thankful that I am a part of this wonderful company, InaCare. In InaCare, leadership is very strong. Not only that, InaCare encourages people to grow, and I myself can attest to that, as I have been given so many opportunities to grow in this company. InaCare provides training, whether it will be online or physical, face-to-face, different kinds of trainings which are very beneficial to everyone. So the company InaCare is truly a conducive place to work and collaborate. When it comes to my colleagues, well, I am so blessed that I have a wonderful team to work with every day. Everyone is helping one another. No one is left behind. Everybody feels at home, feels like a family. And not only that, because our admin is like our mother, it's like our home. So all of us have this wonderful vibe with each and every one. There is trust, there is respect. So as you work in the field, you don't feel afraid because your colleague can help you, can assure you that you're not left behind. And I'm grateful because I know for sure, because they are selected very well. And most of all, I thank Miss Florina Dinsorian, our ever hardworking, very generous manager, very patient. She's a great motivator. So I thank her so much. And the generosity that she showed to all of us is just way above of everything. So thank you so much, Miss Florina. God bless you and God bless InaCare. All the best for everyone.